So this is number 2. You can write a bedtime story about an orange that saves the world as an example. So can use AI or tools like Canva or Dell to generate illustration published as e-book on Amazon or on Gumroad. You can sell 100 of. Let's start with number 3, Orange Diaries. You can use 11 Labs or other AI voice app, and with a script from ChatGPT, you can make money. Post episodes monetize with ads or Patreon, so you can make money. This is an easy way to make money with AI tools. Start with number 4. Number 4 is to pass the orange to social game, crowdfund style. The idea here is to start a social exchange game. You can sell the orange to a friend for $1. They sell it for $2, and so on, until it hits $10,000. Document the journey on Instagram or in YouTube. You can monetize this at crowdfunding storytelling. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is deep fake orange talk show. So you can use app like Reface or any AI app to make an orange talk show like a celebrity. So you can post interviews online with this, and you can be viral content, monetize this and make money. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button.